Who's got the hiccups? Riley does. Riley's got the hiccups. Huh. Huh, Riley, you got the hiccups, pretty girl. Yeah, got the hiccups. Poor girl. Oh, baby.